Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking zucchini on a grill. So for this easy recipe, I have zucchini. I already washed them before making the video. And for the seasonings, I have olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And again, the seasonings are totally up to you, and vinegar is totally optional. It just goes really well with those seasonings, but if you don't have it, just leave it out. So I'm going to start by preheating the grill. So let me turn on the grill. So I'm going to close the cover, the heat is on high, and it's going to preheat while I'm slicing the zucchini. So you don't need to peel a zucchini. I'm just going to cut off the stem. And I'm going to cut it into slices like this. So I'll do each zucchini into 4 slices. And now I'm going to season the slices. So I'm going to add some oil and vinegar here and then brush it. Some olive oil and a splash of vinegar. So if you like to measure, I'd say for each tablespoon of oil, you need about a teaspoon of vinegar. So now I'm mixing it together. So let's brush zucchini with the oil and vinegar mixture. And now let's sprinkle the seasonings. So here is salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And now I will flip it over and do the same thing. Sprinkle the seasonings. And now let's put zucchini on a grill. So let's open the grill. And I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low. And add zucchini. Perfect. So I'm going to close the cover and then cook it. Now, so I did the medium low, but I still kind of see that the heat is pretty high here. So it's really between medium low to low. You should look at your grill. I think I'm going to reduce it to low because it just looks like the flames are pretty big. And I'm going to cover the grill. When it's covered, it cooks more quickly and you still get the grill marks. So I'm going to leave it like this for 4 minutes, and then we're going to flip them over. So now zucchini have been cooking for 4 minutes on low heat, and let's take a look. Take a look here. See, look at those grill marks. Perfect. So let's just flip them over carefully. You know, they break very easily. There you go. Looks so good. So now when you touch them, you can kind of see how soft they are. You know, I see the thinner pieces are actually almost ready, so they just need a few more minutes. You know, it depends on how tender you like your zucchini. So I'm going to close the lid now, and I will cook it for 3 more minutes, and then they'll be 100% ready, and then we'll try them. So now it's been 3 minutes on this side, and let's open it. And the zucchini is ready. Look at them. They look amazing. Perfect grill marks. And they're nice and tender. You know, when I check it with the tongs, I can actually tell that they're soft. So, you know, if you think the zucchini is not ready, you can always close the lid and cook for a few more minutes. Again, it's not, you know, exact here. It just depends on your preference and how hot your grill is. So now I'm going to turn off the grill. And let's remove zucchini. Perfect. So let me have it cool down for a few minutes and then I'll try it. So now it cooled down a little bit and I'm ready to try it. Let's try it. So let me just see how tender it is. I'll just slice a piece off. Look at that. Looks awesome. Now let's try it. It tastes as good as it looks. It's so tender, perfectly seasoned with a deep grilled flavor. Even people who hate zucchini will love this zucchini. And it's so healthy, so easy to make, and so delicious. You will love it. This is a perfect staple for summer grilling. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!